What's up, sarsaparillas? It's your girl Sassy J, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm back with another video. Yes, guys, I am back, and it is Thursday, and you know what happens on a Thursday. It's weight loss Thursday update. Yes, guys, it is an update. But before I get into this video, you know the protocol. Honey, you know, okay? Go ahead. Like the video. Like the video, guys. Yes, please go ahead. Give me that thumbs up. Guys, come on. I see you watching, but I'm not seeing you thumbsing up the video. So please go ahead, darlings. Please. My pretties. Please give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please, 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 please do me a favor and just hit on that subscribe button, please, guys. Just, you know, there's a little red button, that little red button that says subscribe. Just click that red button and it will go from red to gray, and it should say from subscribe to subscribed with a D at the end. And when you do click that button and it says subscribed, please, guys, there should be a little bell. Just hit that bell and put it on all, okay? Because when it is on all, it means that you get all of the alerts when the girl uploads a new video. I'm too much. I can't deal. But anyways, guys, please, 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 please thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Anyways, guys, let's go straight into today's video. Okay, so I know you've seen the thumbnail and you've seen the description, okay? So you know that the girl has lost weight. Yes, guys, and I'm not gonna keep you in suspense. I'm gonna tell you exactly how much weight I've lost this week, and that is 1.5 kg, exactly 1.5 kgs, which is 3.3 pounds. And yes, guys, I'm gonna say the 0.3 because the 0.3 counts, okay? It counts. 3.3 pounds, okay? But yes, guys, so yes, I am still on the Exante diet plan. Let me just say this to you guys. I am still on the Exante diet plan. However, I'm not following it the way the Exante like layout or the Exante plan is meant to be followed. I'm not following it. And I'm going to tell you the reason I'm not following it. Okay, so basically, you guys know now this is week 3. On my first week, it was a bit up and down, a bit rocky, but I excelled. I went straight through week 1 and I lost 11 pounds, which I was like, honey, talk to me, come and see. Yes, I lost 11 pounds on week 1. Y'all know week 2, oh my God, personal issues come for smack me in the face, uppercut me, all that, and your girl gained 3 pounds back from that 11 pounds. However, this week, my 3rd week in, I'm gonna tell you what I did this week, okay? I lost 3.3 pounds. So technically, and this is very annoying, okay? Because technically, when you really look at it, my total loss is now 11 pounds, 11.3 pounds, because obviously it's like putting back that 3 pounds that I gained last week just with an extra 0.3. So, you know, but we're not going to look at this as a negative. This is a positive. We're not going to look at it as a negative because I could have still been minus another 3 pounds, or like I could have gained another 3 pounds. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to take my 3.3 pounds loss and celebrate it and ignore the fact that I gained 3 pounds the week before. Okay. But when I say I have not been following the Exante diet or the Exante plan the way that I should normally, or the way that it's been designed for me to follow, is because I get bored really quickly, and I find myself getting bored of the shakes. The shakes that I've tried so far, I like them. I think they're nice. I like the bars so far, but I am getting very, very, I'm getting tired of them. I am. Now, ever since I tried the red bean chili, I have not tried anything else apart from shakes and bars. And that's because when I try something and it's disgusting, it scares me off everything else that's kind of like associated to it. So because I tried the shakes and the bars and I like them so far, it's like I stick to them, and most of the other things that I haven't really dabbled in. I really want to try them, and I might try them now, especially because this week Don't know if you could hear that. I'm itching my side, guys. But yeah, but this week I've literally replaced, like on Friday, obviously it's the start of my first day in my new week, right? So on the Friday I did Exante properly. On the Saturday, I did Exante properly. On the Sunday, I think I had 2 replacements, and then I had dinner, but the dinner was more than my average 600 calories. So I did exceed that, and I did that on purpose. It wasn't a case of me going over. I said to myself, okay, my ultimate goal is to bring my weight down, right? And to try and bring it down as far as I can to a certain amount of percentage of my body weight, right? Especially because I want to, obviously I did say to you guys in my video last week that I am on my VSG journey. So obviously I want to kind of bring my weight down to as low as I can before then, right? So I thought about it and I said, you know what? The Exante, I know it's a good way to lose weight and probably to get quick results, but I wanted to be able to maintain eating that way, or be able to kind of keep to, like, do something I could stick to. And I felt like I was struggling because I was getting tired of the shakes and stuff, and I wanted to have different things. So on Sunday I decided I'm gonna have I had a bar and I had a shake and then I had just dinner, right? And then on the Monday, I think Monday I only had, I think I had a sandwich at work. I had a sandwich and some fruit at work. And then when I got home, I had a shake. And that's what I had the whole day because I didn't have a breakfast. On Tuesday, I had a bar, I think, at some point for breakfast. And I had my meal, but I've been calorie counting. To be honest, I actually want to stop calorie counting as well, because I remember the first time I lost weight, I did not calorie count. And I can be a bit extreme when it comes to calorie counting, but I just try to watch what I was eating and try to keep it down. So I still do use the Exante. I do use it, but I replace 1 or 2 meals, and I don't tell myself that I have to do it. This is what I had to take from my mind, because I felt like the had to, or the plan, was making me add extra pressure on myself. So I decided I wasn't going to do that. I was like, you know what, calm down. Use the shake as a replacement for 1 of your meals. Let's start with that. So, but you know what, was it yesterday? Yesterday, I had the shake for dinner. So I had my lunch. I had like a sandwich at work. I didn't have anything for breakfast. And to be honest, it was a long day. I didn't really eat much yesterday. I had like a sandwich and a salad and a couscous salad for lunch. And I think I had like a tangerine when I was on my way home. I drank some water. And when I got home, I had a shake. I find it easier to have the shake in the evenings, and I prefer to have a shake in the evenings because it's kind of like not having something heavy before bed. So I mostly tend to have the shake in the evening. Well, to be honest, almost every day I've been having a shake in the evening. Not every day, but almost every day. And I find it a lot better. So that's what I've been trying to do, like probably have 1 or 2 shakes, but not put the added pressure on myself. So I do find that Exante, like I said, it comes in handy, but I just have to do it in a way where I can stick to it, and it's better for me. Okay, honey, it's better for me that way. But, you know, it worked. I still lost 3.3 pounds. And yes, honey, I'm going to keep saying 0.3 because right now the 0.3 matters. Okay, 0.3 matters. Okay, so yeah, so I have lost 3.3 pounds this week. And yes, I know you guys probably going to say, you know, if you was doing the Exante the right way, you probably would have lost more. Maybe I would. Maybe I wouldn't. I probably would have. But at the same time, like I said, the ultimate goal is to bring the weight down. And even if I'm just a pound down, it's down. And I'm happy with that. So, and I feel like me not having that extra pressure, me not putting that extra pressure on me has really helped me to lose that 3.3 pounds, because now I feel more in control, like I'm actually back on track. Because when I gained that 3 pounds last week, I was really stressed out in a sense about it, because I felt like, oh my God, like I did so well the following week, and I think it was the restriction. It's not about me doing well the week before. It was more the restriction. I felt like I restricted myself so much, and then I lost something, and now I put it back on. Like I kind of relaxed a little bit because of what was going on, and I put it back on, and that really upset me. And I thought to myself, am I just falling back into a pattern that I did before where I do extreme things, and then once I stop doing the extreme things, I just kind of overindulge, right? Or comfort eat or whatever. So I had that kind of thing. I was kind of like fighting back and forth with my thoughts and whatever. But then at the same time, I do feel like, you know, the Exante is something that I want to incorporate in my diet, in a sense where I want to use it as a replacement meal for at least 1 to 2 of my meals, probably mostly just one, which is my evening meal, because I feel like if I have a protein filled breakfast in the morning, have my little carb in the lunch, and then have that shake for dinner, I feel like that will be helpful. I used to do that with the stim fast. I don't know if you guys remember, and that was helpful, and that helped me to lose weight. So I'm gonna continue to kind of like try that out and see how I get on with that. I'm really, do you know what? The devil is strong. Do you know what just came to me? I'm here recording this video, and you know what came to me? Because I was just gonna say to you guys, I really want to hit the 1 stone mark by next week. And you know what the devil just said to me? He said to me, "Bish, yeah, you would have been 1 stone down had you not put on 3 pounds last week, because guess what? This 3 pounds, 3.3 pounds that you lost on that 11 pounds, that's a stone." Devil, you's a liar usually. Well, you kind of telling the truth on that one. But anyways, but yes, guys. So I'm still trying to do it. Like I said, I'm doing the Exante, but I'm just fixing it to a way where it caters to myself. I'm incorporating it into my diet. I'm trying to kind of take my mindset out of the fact that I'm restricting myself, because it's kind of like that. I think it's me telling myself that I'm restricting myself with this. It making me feel so pressured. I'm trying to like, I want to pick and stuff. But I'm happy overall with the weight loss of the 3.3. because it brought me back to matching up to, well, I say match up, but I'm actually still 0.3 more than I would have been. Okay, I think everyone knows about the 0.3. But anyways, guys, so yeah, so I'm gonna see how next week goes. Also, guys, I must say I've added in a couple days exercise. Yes, girl did it. I did a couple days exercise as well. Yes, I did me some squats, some lunges, some apart together, star jumps. Yes, honey, I did some of that. So maybe that's also helped. But I'm going to keep pushing through. So like I said, I'm mostly going to have the Exante even in the mornings or in the evenings, especially in the evening, because I like the idea of having just that in the evenings. And then I feel like that will help a lot. So guys, if you're still on your Exante journey, please go ahead, keep on doing it. Whatever way works for you, honey, do it. Listen, I'm fine. I'm choosing the way that works for me, and I'm gonna do it. I'm making sure that I incorporate it, the Exante, in the way where it assists me to lose weight and not put that extra pressure on myself, or you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. So let me know, guys. I know some of you guys are on the journey. Let me know how you're getting on. Let me know, am I the only one that was struggling? Am I the only one that had to make adjustments? You know, let me know. Are you guys getting on with it? Are you getting used to it? Are you finding the shakes, you know, colliding? Are you getting tired of the shakes? What are your feelings? Tell me how you feel. Because I don't know. Maybe it's just me. And maybe it's just me, guys. I don't know. Am I the only one that feels this way? But anyways, guys, yes, comment down below. Let me know how you're getting on. Let me know if you've lost any weight so far. Even if you're having a bad week, guys. Remember, I myself, this is a journey, and I struggle, honey. I struggle on this journey, but guess what? You'll have me telling you, I'm struggling. There's nothing I can do about it apart from keep trying. Because listen, you have not failed until you stop trying. And I ain't never going to stop trying, honey. Means I'm never going to fail. So if you never stop trying, you're never gonna fail. And that's how I look at it. Even if I tumble and I fall, as long as I get back up and I keep going forward, that is enough for me. So let me know how you're getting on, guys. Comment down below. Let me know how you're getting on. Don't be afraid to reach out and just say some stuff. I don't mind. I like to communicate with y'all. I like all of that. But anyways, guys, I'm about to round this video up. So I'm gonna ask you one more time. If you haven't yet done so already, please click that like button, honey. click that like button. Yes, go ahead, click that like button. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I don't know if it's me. Do you think my face looks smaller? What do you think? I don't know. Do you think my face looks smaller? Because you know what? I feel like I know I've only like lost 3.3 pounds, but I just feel lighter. I feel lighter. I don't know. And you know, sometimes you lose inches, but I feel lighter. And I don't know if it's just in my head. Because listen, when I lose like a pound, I feel super skinny. I don't know about y'all. I feel super skinny. So it might just be all in my head. But do you think so? Let me know. But anyways, guys, like I said, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button and turn on your notification bell so you get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. But anyways, guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. But for now, keep it sassy-licious.